wiping this off because I'm going to use this demo for class 2. So I will actually at the end of today be wiping that off and redoing the whole thing.
So if it's more red at the bottom, what would
so
you do?
it's always, you kind of get, as long as you keep your paint thin, okay, all day long, keep everything thin. If you go in there and you're putting heavy paint on there, I'm going to struggle rescuing you if I need to. Not that I need to, I'm sure you'll all be fine. But again, if you follow the steps in the book and just kind of go along with it, this is why I wanted you to have the book with you while you were doing it, so you could all sit back down and not go, what did you just do? Which you will. So you can follow along with the book and do it that way, okay? Preserve the catch light, okay? That's the #1 important thing. If you preserve that, you get that lovely wet, shiny eye. Things like the little wet dots for later on, if you actually look at the reference, you can see you've got those little wet. We can get those tomorrow, you know, don't have to worry about getting. If we've got time today, we'll put them in, but if not, it's mainly getting this as your base in there, okay? Alright, you're all looking at me going.
And in my case, I'll just put a patch over it.
Girl, put some eyes on. I'll be round one side.
Isn't that right?
I do have a